Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on proof in plane geometry. So given that ABCD is a parallelogram, the whole thing here is a parallelogram. CD and BC intersects at F and E, so the circle. Prove that FC and FE, BF and AF, they are actually in this ratio, that they are the equal ratio. So essentially what we need to do is, whenever this ratio is constant, likely is similar triangle. Okay, so FC and FE, just label FC here, FE is here. So then after which BF and AF over here. So meaning to say, very likely these two triangles are the one which we need to show. Okay, so let's see how we can do this properly. Now, first off, know that these are what they call it, a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. We need to show. It's wise to, okay, so say that this is alpha. Okay, do you see that the butterfly here, meaning the angle in the same segment, this case here? So essentially, if this is alpha, this will also be alpha. Okay, so that's the first thing I gather. So this is alpha here. Now, if this is alpha, this is also alpha. Now, what I'm going to do is actually you look at the angle in the opposite segment. So this in this cyclic quadrilateral here, right? This over here will be 180 minus alpha, right? So opposite of this will be 180 minus alpha. So now, the thing is, because this is a parallelogram, it means that this angle here is also supplementary. So this angle here, if you think about it, is actually interior angles. Okay, so this case here, it will be interior angle. So this is 180 minus 180 minus alpha, so which is alpha. So essentially this will give you alpha. So it's good because from this alpha here, I managed to show that this is the alpha here, in the sense that these two triangles, what I can show that is one angle here is equal to this angle here. And then subsequently, we want to show that one of the angles here, I think generally this kind of question, the harder part is to see the angle in the same segment, right? So it's good to use this angle here, because this triangle here, this angle here would correspond to it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let this be beta. So if this is beta, this will also be my beta, angle in the same segment. So now I need to find a way to find that this is beta. Oh, there you go. So I know that this is 180 minus alpha minus beta. Okay. Then if I were to do the math here, sum 180 minus this will also give me beta. There you go. So now I can actually, in fact, this is 180 minus alpha minus beta. So they are similar triangle. We'll be able to show that. Okay. So I'm going to start writing it down. Let's write we start off with this, right? Alpha. So alpha is equal to this alpha here. Then, yeah, okay. Let's start. So let angle ABF equals to alpha. So angle FEA, angle in the same segment. Then angle ADC, angles the opposite segment. Okay, then angle DCB is equal to 180 minus 180 minus alpha. This is interior angle. DA parallel to CB. Okay, that will be alpha. So in other words, hence the FBC equals to angle FCE equals to alpha. Now we're going to start looking at the beta, which is to find, we need to show the other angle there, right? So let angle equals to beta. So angle AEB is equals to beta. Angle in the same segment, see, this equals to this. Then after which angle FEA, FEC is equals to 180. This is it's just an angle on the straight line. Okay, then we can write angle EFC equals 180 minus 180 minus alpha minus beta minus alpha. There we go. This is a angle sum of triangle. Okay, so this is alpha beta triangle of triangle FC. Okay, so there you go. So now we can prove that both triangle are essentially what do you call it, similar. So usually what I'll say is just draw it out, because if you don't draw it out you wouldn't know. So this case here, draw it out, then draw the small out. Okay, we're looking at A, B, this is alpha, then you have F, this is beta, then you have F here as well, this is beta, then C, this is alpha, this is E, right? So since angle AFB is equals to beta, angle EFC beta, angle F corresponding to FBA alpha by AA similarity. Okay, triangle FAB is similar to triangle FAB is FEC. Okay, so that's it. Then we need FC, FE. So hence, we by using the ratio of similar triangle. So this one, hence, this will tell you that. Hence, FC over FB is equals to BF, AF. FE, FE, FB, AF, FC, AF, FC over FB is. Okay, so is that it? So this is what I get. Then I'll just rearrange a bit. I think rearrange. This case here, what we get is FC over FE. So this would give us a ratio that we are going to find. This FC, FE, BF. Okay, so that's how I do this question here proficiently. Any question, please let me know. I'll see you in the next question.